Your liver is an organ in your body. It's one of the largest organs in your body, and it actually plays an absolutely critical role to detoxify your body, but it does it through your blood. So your blood sends a huge amount of volume into your liver. Your liver actually filters it, and the cells in your liver actually basically clean your blood, remove those toxins, and send it on its way to actually go get more oxygen and nutrients to be pumped out.
Hello, welcome back. Wishing you a joyful and energetic day. Today we will meet Dr. William Lee again and hear him share about 5 drinks that can help eliminate excess fat in the liver and prevent fatty liver disease. First, let's learn about fatty liver.
Now, the liver actually has some fat in it, and it actually can hold on to fat. So when you actually have more fat than your body can store, it winds up actually being sent over to the liver. So think about the liver as kind of a storage area for extra fat. And you can just build up there until your body needs that fuel, which comes in the form of fat, and burns it right down. Now, when your body fat actually is filled up, so let's say you're eating and overeating, that's actually one of the most common causes of fat accumulating in your liver. You're eating too many calories. Those calories are going into your stomach. They're being absorbed in your bloodstream. And now you got to store them. You store them in the body fat. Remember I told you, single fat cell can swell 3 times its size. And then the next fat cell needs to get stored up and it will swell 3 times the size. And then the third one swelled up 3 times the size over and over again. As you're actually loading up on your calories, all right, with overeating, you're way overloading on the fat. The fat is building up. Oh man, you're kind of run out of fat. So what it does is it calls on your stem cells in your fat to make more fat cells.
Fatty liver not only damages the liver, but also leads to severe complications such as hepatitis, cirrhosis, and in more serious cases, liver cancer. Approximately 30% of patients with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease may develop hepatitis if not treated in time. Hepatitis requires early detection and treatment, as prolonged neglect can lead to liver fibrosis and negatively impact overall health. If you are at risk or already dealing with fatty liver, burning excess fat is crucial. This will help reduce the burden on your liver, maintain its health, and prevent severe complications. Now let's explore 5 beverages that can help eliminate fatty liver, as shared by Dr. William Lee. The first beverage, green tea.
Here it is again, the ubiquitous green tea when it comes to health. What's in tea? What's in green tea? It's got a polyphenol, a catechin called EGCG, epigallocatechin-3 gallate, EGCG, all right? And you know what EGCG does? It does a lot of things, okay? But in this case, for burning down fat, it activates brown fat thermogenesis.
Green tea contains catechins, antioxidants that help prevent or repair cell damage and combat oxidative stress. One specific catechin in green tea, EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, has been shown to protect the liver in individuals with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NFLD. EGCG also inhibits the rise of norepinephrine, a hormone that boosts fat metabolism, making the process more efficient. Additionally, green tea's anti-inflammatory properties play a vital role in supporting liver health. Furthermore, the caffeine in green tea stimulates fat metabolism, helping to lower bad cholesterol levels that negatively impact the liver. A study involving 80 individuals with NAFLD showed that consuming 500 milliliters of green tea extract daily for 90 days significantly reduced liver damage markers such as ALT and AST. To incorporate green tea into your diet, you can brew fresh or dried green tea leaves with hot water and consume 2 to 3 cups, about 150 milliliters each, daily for optimal benefits. The second beverage, coffee.
Coffee, my favorite, all right? Now, coffee has been studied a lot for metabolism. It's definitely helpful for metabolism. It definitely burns body fat. And the way that coffee does this is that it activates brown fat thermogenesis, just like green tea. So coffee with chlorogenic acid, one of its bioactives, activates your brown fat. That's the useful fat around the side of your neck, behind your breastbone, a little bit behind your shoulder blades, a little bit in your belly, and it fires it up. Click, 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 whoosh. And then your brown fat is generating heat and it's powering itself with fuel and it's stealing from your visceral fat, your harmful fat. Activated brown fat burns down harmful, unwanted fat, unburdens your body of fat. That's really good if you're really trying to counter a fatty liver.
Coffee can help improve liver function, which is closely tied to the body's metabolic capacity. Alongside maintaining a balanced diet, regular exercise, and avoiding alcohol, drinking coffee is a good habit for liver health. Now, studies have shown that individuals who consume more than 2.5 cups of coffee per day have a lower risk of obesity-related fatty liver disease. Coffee contains a significant amount of chlorogenic acid, a type of polyphenol. Chlorogenic acid enhances digestive organ function, protects the liver, and reduces body fat. The antioxidants and bioactive compounds in coffee, including chlorogenic acid, cafestol, and kowel, are believed to protect liver cells from damage. Coffee may also inhibit inflammation and the formation of fibrous tissue in the liver, reducing the risk of chronic liver diseases. The third beverage, tomato juice.
I love tomatoes, and when I was a kid, I remember drinking tomato juice all the time. You remember that whole vegetable juice V8? Had this like a cut-like tomato, and every now and then I'll actually, think about like Bloody Mary mix, right? Tomato juice. Now, tomatoes and their juice contain something called lycopene. Lycopene is a bioactive, a natural chemical, and it's a carotenoid. It helps to make tomatoes and other foods red in color. And tomatoes with lycopene have been shown to activate you guessed it, brown fat thermogenesis. All right, you can trigger on brown fat thermogenesis and burn down extra brown fat.
Researchers have discovered that asculiogenin A, a glycan abundant in tomatoes, can reduce non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, in mice through its lipid-lowering, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory effects. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has shown potential to reduce liver inflammation, fatty liver, and the risk of liver cancer. Studies conducted on mice demonstrated that supplementing with lycopene-rich tomato powder reduced liver inflammation and the progression of fatty liver. Additionally, lycopene regulates lipid metabolism enzymes, stabilizes fat levels, and lowers the risk of liver inflammation. Incorporating tomatoes into your daily diet may help improve fatty liver conditions. Similar to green tea and coffee, tomato juice with lycopene can activate brown fat, burn harmful fat, and improve metabolic health. This makes it an excellent choice to add to your daily routine. If drinking tomato juice daily isn't appealing, you can opt for using tomato sauce in your meals as an alternative. The fourth beverage, watermelon juice.
Watermelon and tomatoes, nothing alike. You are right. Except both tomatoes and watermelons have lycopene. That's right. Watermelon, which has got red flesh. Remember I told you the lycopene helps to provide color. Watermelon has lycopene. It's got a lot of fluid in it, which is good, but it's also got lycopene in it. A lot of people don't know this, but watermelons were not originally, they came from Africa, but they were not originally red. I think they were yellow, and they weren't sweet. They were just used for water, for hydration and, the hot environment. But over time, they got bred to be red and sweet, and that redness actually brought with it lycopene. Now, researchers have been looking at watermelon juice, and here's what they found. They found that homemade watermelon juice, that means you get fresh watermelon, you chunk it up, you put it into a blender, okay, and you puree it. Can make about 3.5 cups of juice this way. These researchers did 3.5 cups of juice, all right? That's a pretty sizable amount of juice. That's more than a tall glass. But that drinking that watermelon juice for 3 weeks could double the amount of lycopene, that fat-fighting substance in your blood, because it's in your blood where it goes to work, all right? So watermelon juice actually is a good way to get more lycopene into your body.
Watermelon juice is a rich source of phenolics, tocopherol, carotenoids like beta-carotene and lycopene, and vitamin C. Vitamin C, a water-soluble antioxidant, has been shown to have cardioprotective effects in ethanol-induced damage models in mice. The beneficial effects of vitamin C are primarily due to its antioxidant properties. Combining vitamin C with other antioxidants has also been proven to offer protection against CCL4-induced toxicity in the liver and kidneys by preventing oxidative stress. One study found that watermelon juice enhances antioxidant status and provides some protection against acute oxidative damage caused by alcohol in the liver and brain of mice. Watermelon is a low-calorie food, but rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It is also a natural diuretic, meaning it helps eliminate toxins from the body. Drinking watermelon juice is an excellent way to detoxify the liver naturally. It is recommended to use homemade watermelon juice to ensure control over the sugar content. The final beverage, water.
Drinking water. All right. Drinking water is the most popular beverage in the world. Number 2 is tea. Number 3, I think, is coffee. All right. And clinical studies have taken a look at what happens when you drink water. It's more than you think. Like, water is good for hydration. All right. But it turns out that if you actually drink water, a couple of things happen. First, it stretches your stomach out when you're drinking water before a meal. And when your stomach's stretched out, it sends a signal to your brain, hey, we're kind of filled up here, so don't get too hungry. So you can actually blunt your appetite just by drinking water before a meal. That means less calories are going to go in. All right, so drinking water actually can provide that. The other thing that's really interesting is that drinking water triggers thermogenesis. Now, this has been studied. We believe that it's because there's temperature sensors that are in our stomach. So you drink water, glug, 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 goes down into your stomach. It's sitting in your stomach. Guess what? Water tends to be cool or cold. It activates the temperature sensors in your stomach, and all of a sudden your body goes, whoa, near my core, I got cold water. I got to fire up. I got to fire up to heat it up because I don't want to have a cold core. What does that firing up mean? Thermogenesis.
According to Dr. Lee, drinking 2 glasses of water can increase metabolic rate by up to 30%. This helps burn more energy and effectively reduces excess fat. Drinking water is inherently an essential part of the body's functioning. Staying hydrated not only aids in fat reduction, but also brings numerous other health benefits. Water ensures that all organs in your body function efficiently and properly. Every day, aim to drink at least 2 liters of water to provide your body with enough hydration for its daily activities. Now that you're aware of the 5 beverages that can help improve fatty liver, start incorporating them into your daily routine to reap their surprising benefits. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates on our latest content. Thanks for watching.